Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem "The Lake Isle of Innisfree" by William Butler Yeats. So this poem was published in the National Observer in 1890. This poem is an effort by the poet to create an independent Irish literature rather than following British poets and their literary models. So this is the text of the poem. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree in a small cabin built there of clay and wattles. Wattle means twigs. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. Bee loud glade means the sound of the buzzing of bees. So when the poem opens, poet expresses his wish to wake up someday and go to an island in his free, and he wants to build a small cabin there with the help of clay and twigs and plants. And he also wants to plant 9 rows of bees there near a beehive so that he can hear the sound of the buzzing of bees. And he wants to live alone on this island. Come to the next lines. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the wheels of the morning to where the cricket sings. There midnights all a glimmer and noon a purple glow and evening full of the linnet's wings. So in these lines, the poet is appreciating the beauty of this island. Okay. And poet says that he hopes to find peace and comfort there, which is missing in the modern world. Okay, and he hopes to find peace and comfort there. And he says that the peace is like morning mist because peace also comes slowly. And he says that during morning time you can hear the sound of crickets singing on this island, and in midnight light looks so beautiful on this island, and noon also looks purple beautiful, and during evening you can see a lot of birds flying in the sky. So entire atmosphere on this island looks so beautiful to the poet. Come to the next lines. I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. While I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's gray, I hear it in deep heart's forth. Now, speaker wishes to go at this island because day and night he dreams of the wave of the lake striking the shores of the island. Okay, and he feels a strong desire to go to this island when he finds himself standing on a road. Okay, actually, he means to say that he can't find peace and calmness in the modern world, but only in the company of nature. And here the poem ends.